Alright, here we go. We are doing a 2xFLOUR. What is a 2xFLOUR test, you might ask? Well, let's check it out.
Another one we're doing here for y'all. This is called the 2xFLOUR. And what we got is a 2x4, 2x6. Going to the flour. To see what it does when it expands and the flour hits the 2x4. And kind of curious how many jugs it's going to go through. And seeing the expansion on it. And, what kind of holes in the 2x6.
And we're going to be doing that 2xFLOUR with the Winchester Super X 4570 Government at about 50 yards, doing the expansion and seeing what we get from it. We're doing the 2xFLOUR with the 4570 Winchester Super X jacketed hollow point, 50-ish yards or so, flour, 2x6 jugs of water, and we'll bring it back to the bench. And I am looking for the bullet. Alright, here we go. Here's the results on the 2xFLOUR 4570 and 40 and 300 Super X Winchester. I screwed that one up. But anyways, that's good enough. I'm not doing a retake. They couldn't find the bullet. It put a little ding in on the jug and bounced off and could not find it. But here is what we are looking at. We do have the casing though. Yay, look. Oh, pretty. Pretty. Yes, pretty. But there you go. And that's what we're looking at. And going in, the damage it did after it hit the flour and then going in. It actually kind of looks like it might have flipped in that flour. I don't know. I mean, it's hard to tell without the bullet and having an impact in the jug behind it to know exactly what it did. And there's the backside for you. So it split the board and then just kind of plopped off. And out here with the dead leaves and stuff on the ground, you're not really gonna have much luck of finding much of anything from rim to rim, which actually would be over here. 108, but if you want to just go by the hole, roughly something like that, y'all might agree with, somewhere in that neighborhood. That's 0.58, 0.44. As always, it has not changed. So there you go, and that's pretty much it. Kind of sucks that the bullet bounced, but that's how it goes sometimes. Sometimes you just don't get bullet every time. Entry, roughly. I don't want to go that much, but I would say about like that would probably be close. Because it ain't going to be edge to edge, that's for sure. But there you go. That's what I would be calling it. If you want to go edge for edge, there's edge for edge. That is pretty wicked. 1.25 inches, blowing shockwave through the wood of destruction.